Welcome back to the channel. Today we're checking out the top 5 best kitchen gadgets in 2025 that will make cooking faster, easier, and a whole lot more fun. From smart blenders and slicers to electric grinders and egg cookers, these gadgets are designed to save time and boost efficiency in your kitchen. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. Portable Cordless Blender, 18-ounce USB-C rechargeable. This cordless portable blender comes with an 18-ounce BPA-free vessel, USB-C rechargeable battery, and a leak-proof lid. Perfect for making smoothies, protein shakes, or even baby food on the go. The cordless design means you can use it anywhere, at home, at work, or even outdoors. Pros: portable and lightweight, USB-C fast charging, leak-proof lid for travel, easy to clean. Busy people who want smoothies or shakes on the go. Number 2. LMETJMA Adjustable Mandoline Slicer. This stainless steel mandoline slicer comes with adjustable thickness settings, making it perfect for slicing potatoes, tomatoes, onions, carrots, and more. A must-have for anyone who wants to save time prepping vegetables. The adjustable blade ensures precise cuts, while the stainless steel build keeps it durable. Pros: adjustable thickness for different cuts, durable stainless steel build, speeds up food prep, home cooks who want consistent slicing without much effort. Number 3. 12 and 22 in 1 Multifunctional Vegetable Cutter. This multifunctional vegetable cutter comes with multiple blades, a container, and tools for slicing, shredding, grating, and chopping. Think of it as a mini kitchen assistant. It handles almost every type of veggie prep. The container keeps things tidy, and the interchangeable blades make it super versatile. Pros: 12 to 22 functions in one gadget. Comes with storage container. Saves a ton of prep time. Families or meal preppers who need quick, versatile cutting solutions. Number 4. 2-liter electric meat grinder and food chopper. This electric food processor has a 2-liter capacity, stainless steel blades, and 2 speed settings for chopping meat, veggies, or making sauces. It's compact but powerful, ideal for grinding meat, chopping onions, or blending ingredients for recipes. The stainless steel blades ensure durability and quick results. Pros: 2-liter capacity, perfect for small families. Stainless steel blades. 2 speed settings for control. Anyone who cooks regularly and wants a compact food processor without breaking the bank. Number 5. Smart Egg Cooker, Mini Electric Boiler and Poacher. This smart egg cooker can boil, steam, and poach eggs with minimal effort. It's compact, easy to use, and designed for everyday breakfast needs. Just add water, place your eggs, and let it do the rest. No more guessing if your eggs are soft, medium, or hard-boiled. Perfect for busy mornings. Pros: quick and easy egg boiling. Compact size for small kitchens. Multifunctional. Boil, steam, and poach. Egg lovers and anyone who wants fast, consistent breakfast prep. So, there you have it, our top 5 best kitchen gadgets of 2025. If you want healthy drinks on the go, grab the portable blender. For precision slicing, the Mandoline slicer is a must. The multifunctional veggie cutter is perfect for fast meal prepping. The electric food chopper is great for grinding meat and quick sauces. And if you love eggs, the smart egg cooker will make breakfast effortless. All the links are in the description. Check them out for the latest prices and deals. If you enjoyed this roundup, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product reviews and gadget finds. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.